channel. It's your girl Nyla Simone. For those of you who don't know, for those of you who do, welcome back. It's good to see you guys again. I just currently woke up, as you can see in the first clip. I'm about to get ready to do some laundry, and then I'm gonna get dressed, and then I'm going to get ready to go to my hair appointment. So that's what y'all about to see me do. As you know by the title of this vlog, I am going to Hawaii tomorrow. The closer we get, the more excited I get. But like yesterday, I was not excited. Like I was like, but I think I'm more excited now that like I'm about to get my hair done and everything. So don't mind my hair. That's why it's looking a little bit rough. Right now I need to do some laundry, and then once I do laundry, like I said, I'm gonna get dressed, and then I'm probably gonna eat and then get ready to go. So yeah, y'all could just sit back and relax and enjoy the ride, enjoy the vlog. I'm fully dressed, just got casual top on and some biker shorts, but I'm still washing right now. It is 8:22. She did push back my appointment till 10. It was currently at 9. Well, it was at 9, but she pushed it back to 10. So I'm leaving at 8:50. So I'm about to just go put my clothes in the dryer, and all this stuff on the bed is literally me trying to come up with fits and stuff. Like, I already bought outfits, but I feel like you could have more outfits on vacation, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm doing right now. But yeah, I'll probably see y'all when I get in the car, maybe, if I'm not rushing. Sometimes I'll be rushing. Oh yeah, and I did clean up, like I vacuumed and just straighten up the hallway and stuff and everything before we leave, because I like to come back home to a nice clean house. I don't know about y'all, but I love to just like come back from vacation and the house is clean, because then you could just go to sleep and relax some more before you have to go back to work. So yeah, but other than that, I'm not really doing much right now, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay y'all, so now we're in the car. Don't mind my hair, it's a mess because y'all already know, but right now we're on our way to the place. And when I say we, it's me and my sister. She's coming along because she has an appointment right after mine. Right now I'm just trying to find the address because I don't know, honestly. We won't be there till 9:50, so that's perfectly fine because we have enough time to, if traffic. Better get going. So yeah, guys, we have to keep going.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, what you need, then waste your time with me. You could have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you all that I see. ignite. I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, waste your time with me. You can have all the space.
Hey y'all, so it's the end of the day. Right now, I am just currently still trying to finish packing. As you can see, all my stuff is right there. I'm trying to like contemplate if my thing is too heavy, if it'll be like 50 pounds or over. Which is so annoying because I'm about to put stuff into my carry-on. But it should be fine, I think. Look, I have no idea, but I'm probably just gonna transfer some things into my carry-on so that I don't have to, you know, have to take everything out at the airport, because that's super embarrassing and then you're trying to rush and hurry up. So hopefully everything works out at the what's it called, at the airport. But yeah, we have to wake up at 3 in the morning so that we can go to our flight at 6. And then yeah, I'm really tired. Like, I'm so sleepy. It's not even funny, but I'm not excited. I'm just more like, I don't know, maybe when I get there I'll be more excited, but I'm not that excited about the trip. I'm just like, yeah, it's gonna be nice, but I don't know. But yeah, you guys, I will see you guys tomorrow when we get to the airport. Good night.